Man, what a time to be alive. So many good phones coming out right now. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gene, I'm JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the Samsung Z Flip, which is one of Samsung's latest and greatest to drop out right now. But before we begin, I just wanted to thank all my new subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to stay up to date when I drop new videos every week. Now, this week, I've got to say that I am super excited to be trying out one of Samsung's latest and greatest. This video was originally supposed to be a Z Fold video, but I ran into a bit of an issue with the model that I received. But nevertheless, I was able to get the Z Flip, and I just wanted to be able to drop a video out this week. I also do have another video coming out pretty soon, so definitely stay tuned to that. Now, just some quick background for a lot of people who don't know me. I've been an iPhone user for the past 5 years. The last Samsung device that I ever touched was the Note 7, and as you guys know, what happens to the Note 7 was actually very disappointing and tragic. But after that point in time, I've never touched a Samsung device until this week, which I'm actually very, very excited that I did. Talking about the Z Flip, the phone itself is available in 4 colors: cream, phantom black, green, and lavender. Now, you can also purchase the Thom Browne edition, which is also available. I don't even know who Thom Browne is, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find out later on as I continue using the phone. Now, to start the video, I need to talk about the design. If I had to describe this in one word, it's wow. But then again, this makes a lot of sense coming from someone who hasn't used a Samsung device in 5 years. Now, the exterior is pretty tough. The screen itself is made up of Gorilla Glass and comes with protection. I wish that all phones actually came with protection added on it already. The hinge is made up of a very durable aluminum. Actually, it's pretty good to know because that's an area that I was a little bit concerned about. But after using it, I'm super confident that this is gonna hold up. After some research, the Flex is actually slated to hold up to 200,000 flexes, which is actually really good to know. Now, continuing on with the form factor, the fact that you can actually fit this phone in your pocket is life. I was quickly amazed at how small it was. Now, sometimes, believe it or not, I forgot the phone was in my pocket. On the front of the phone is where big things happen. You can check your messages, play music, and take photos without even opening the phone. The cover screen shows your notifications and lets you interact with them. What's cool is that you can actually pick your favorite display options for easy access. Moving on to the screen. When flipped open, this gorgeous screen measures at 6.7 inches. It's super responsive, all thanks to the adaptive 120 Hz display. So on the front side, you have a 10 megapixel camera, and on the back side, you have 2 12 megapixel cameras, one that's ultra wide and another that's wide angle. Now the cameras, in my opinion, are actually pretty good considering the design. Now let's talk about some of the features I love. One of the great features of this phone is flex mode. It basically takes the hard part out of taking selfies. Basically, you can set the phone down, step back, and take your shots. Now the phone has a feature where you can do time-lapse videos without shake, which is actually pretty cool if you ask me. 2 other cool features are dual preview and auto framing. Now with dual preview, you can check to see if everyone's good to go before taking a shot. With the auto framing feature, the camera will do its best to keep you centered and in frame, which is actually pretty dope in my opinion. Now let's talk battery life. For a phone that is carrying a 3300 milliamp battery, I was so happy at what I got. Power management is pretty good on this phone, and I've been able to get almost a full day with it. Now, what are my final thoughts? Who's this phone for? Now, I have to say, this is easily one of my favorite phones. I was actually super impressed by this phone and would recommend it to anyone. It's compact, fast, feature-packed, and has an awesome screen. Now I can see where Samsung can capitalize on the next iteration of this phone. But that's the video, guys. I wanted to ask you before I wrap up the video, what do you guys think of the phone? Do you guys like the design? Do you guys like the flip design? Is this a phone that you're considering buying? What would you change about the phone? Definitely leave your comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching, and until my next video, peace.